Hello, welcome back to Linux Wednesdays, where we look at Linux tips and tricks on a Wednesday. In this week's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert sound formats, so from MP3 to WAV, to WAV to MP3 and FLAC, and so on. We need to run a program called Sound Converter. And you'll find Sound Converter in the software manager on Linux Mint. I'm running version 20.1. Now when you run the program for the first time, this box will appear. Now it's waiting for us to insert some sounds. Now when I record my voiceovers or my voices for the main videos, so the ham radio videos, I'm up in the shack, I like to record a separate audio track, and I do that using a Zoom H2N recorder, and that records in .wav. Now the last one I recorded was SR105XY.wav. Now say I want to convert that to MP3, what I need to do now is just drag the file into here, click on it. So clicked on SR105XY.wav, press here, so the preferences, and we got where to place the results. Same folder as output file, so it's going to place mine on the desktop. Into file or into folder, I can tell you where I want it to go. Can create subfolders if I need to. Can delete the original. And how to name the files, I can do same as input, but replace the suffix. So I can call it same name but .wav, .mp3. You've got same input but additional suffix and so on. But I'll leave mine as what it was originally. So same input, placing the suffix. It says type of result, and we've got format. You can change it to OGG, MP3, FLAC, MS-WAV, and Opus. Don't think I've really heard of Opus, but so I want to convert it to MP3. Now here we've got the bitrate mode. So variable bitrate, which is the best quality. You've got constant bitrate and average bitrate, but let's leave it as best quality. And here we've got quality, very low, low, normal, high, very high, and insanely high, but I'll leave that as high. And then you can do your resampling rates there. Target rate is 192. I'll leave mine as 48 just for the purpose of this video. All I need to do now is just press on convert, and you'll see there it's now going to convert the file. Now it might take a few minutes depending on the length of the file, but I think it's about 5 minutes long. And mine was done in 5 seconds. Now if I drag the file down here, you can see there we've got SR105XY.mp3, which is what I've created from the WAV file. Now you can queue a list of files up there, so say 10 or 12 files if you want even more, and then press convert a batch from in one go. If you only want to convert one at a time, you can do. Once you finish converting one file, if we drag another file in, it's going to convert both of them, but I don't want to do that. I only want to convert the first one. So I clear the list and just drag in this one here, title screen to MP3, and that is an Amiga mod that I've been listening to. I definitely recommend you go and listen to some Amiga mods. That's a title screen to Lotus Esprit Turbo Challenge 2. What a brilliant game that is, and what a brilliant soundtrack. Let's convert it to something different other than MP3. Let's convert it to format, and we'll do MS-WAV. There we go. Close it and press on convert. See there, it's done in no seconds. I say it done very, very quickly. There's the WAV. Let's convert it again to OGG. It's going to take a bit longer now. And it says conversion done in 3 seconds. There you go. You can drag that down there. So now we've got the MP3, which is the original file, the .wav, and the OGG, what I've just created. Now if you press here, you can click on the preferences, and we get this list to come back up again. Press it again. We've got the clear list. We want to clear the list there. And here we've got about, and it tells you all about the program there, Sound Converter. I'm running version 3.0.2. If I go to credits, it says created by, I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce their names, but wherever you are, good on you. And you know what these do. That minimises the program. That makes it bigger. And this one quits it with the X. You can also quit it by going there and quit. That was a quick look at a sound converter in Linux and how to convert sounds to different formats, such as MP3 to WAV, WAV to OGG and FLAC, and so on. If you found the video of some use and know what to do, give it a thumbs up. But if you don't like the video, the other button seems to work too. As always, thank you very much for watching Linux Wednesdays. I'll see you in the next video.